Hello, I'm Steve. Welcome to the Patio Heat channel, where we create visual concepts of infrared heating as well as tips for outdoor comfort. Our one-on-one customer support helps you make the best decision for your application. We strive to earn your business. Visit our patioheat.com website for sales and more information. Now let's get heating. All right, so this is a particular project that someone provided me with the drawings, and I was able to convert it into my program here. So that was very helpful. And the question they had was they wanted to purchase, or they had purchased, I guess, the CD4024 Infratech heaters, and they wanted to verify that they could actually mount it where they wanted the heaters. So the placement that they had was placing heaters. Let's see here. Before I go on, let me just go back into some quick dimensions here. So 18 foot here, 9 inches, or yeah, 18 foot 9 inches, 9 foot 3 inches roughly, about 7 feet deep here. And then we had total depth here of 11 foot 3, a height of the bottom edge of this beam at 9 foot off the finished floor. And then an additional 12, I think it was actually 13 inches, possibly 15 inches for this beam here. I also placed this dimension here, 1 foot 1 5/16 to the bottom edge of these rafters, I guess you call them. And so that's overall dimensions that I have here. Go ahead and turn that off right now. So again, they wanted to place it on the back of this beam, the CD model, and I went ahead and took a image of what that would look like if you did place them on this beam. So with a CD model at a 30-degree tilt mounted on a vertical surface like this, you need 20 or 12 inches of clearance to any combustible material above the heater, which would be these joists coming across here. So that wouldn't function out properly. Even if you attach it to the ceiling and then you change the angle to the 30 degrees again, you still have to keep, number one, 6 inches of clearance on this side then, and with that 30-degree tilt, you still need that 12-inch drop. So I don't see this as being the best option. You could make your own bracket here and customize it so that it would match or fit in within this span right here, and then come up with your own look, I guess, that might work out with the clearance. But then I also want to show you that with the CD4024 placing that heater there, this is a hot spot, and then if you went just 8 foot out, it's pretty much colder and it's not going to heat up the room appropriately. So this isn't my best option. However, it does work out for some people, and that might be acceptable to some. Let me go ahead and just show you what if I was to mount a unit up here, what it would look like. And I'm going to go ahead and turn that off for a second, and then turn on maybe a 4,000 watt slimline. Now, a 4,000 watt slimline, when attached to the ceiling, or excuse me, to the vertical surface and angled at a 30-degree tilt, it only requires 6 inches of clearance from this top edge here to the any combustible surface above, so that would work out fairly decently. However, the same circumstance would apply, that the throw over here isn't a greatest throw, so ideally this would not be the warmest spot, but it might work out fine for some people. So in any case, that is how that would look, and I'm just going to go into if I had a 4,000 watt unit CD model where I would actually place it. I would probably place it something like this configuration. Now, I know that's probably not the most ideal for somebody if you're looking at it from this point of view. You're seeing these two heaters here, and they're trying to hide these heaters as much as possible. Many people try to do that. I don't like the distance apart from each other. I just basically placed them centered within the span that they had already chosen. Probably would move them maybe 6 inches in from inside of each other. So let me just go ahead and look at the distance here to here. We're looking at close to 8 feet. I would probably like them more at 7 feet center to center on each heater. But you can see here the flow of heat is even throughout this whole span, and that's what would be most comfortable in my opinion. Now, I would not use the OEM brackets. Again, I would probably go with maybe a chain, or make a different type of bracket so that it would fit within that slope area here. So, but the main thing is that you need to maintain 6 inches of clearance from this edge to any combustible surface. Now, the surface that I have that I've chosen is this surface right here, so that's 6 inches of clearance when pointed straight down to the ground on a CD model. So, all right, well, I hope this has helped. If you're looking for some assistance with your outdoor heating application and you would like us to review your plans, please send your information into designs@patioheat.com, and please hit that like button. We don't advertise, we're not monetized. YouTube does not promote us in any way, and we don't get our views out unless we receive your thumbs up, and we greatly appreciate that. Thank you so much. Have an excellent day.